Alright, for today's class, we're going to be doing a project online here. If you remember the other day when we were studying some terms, we played a game called Kahoot. There's actually ways that you can go and get accounts and you can put things on, and so that's kind of what we're going to focus this on here, is doing some project-based things on the computers here, where you go and create a Kahoot so that others can find out information about your topic. You'll be put into pre-assigned groups. When you get in your groups, what the first thing you want to do is get into your Edmodo accounts, and I have left you some instructions on there, and I'm just going to kind of simulate what I want you guys to be doing and working on. Now, some of this, I know with me being gone, it's part of it is just kind of working through and having some technical problems and, being self-reliant and finding ways to work through that. But what we need to do first is come, and if you just click on the instructions that I've left you and open up the page, I've given you basically the websites that we'll need to go to in order to complete this task. And so you're going to get a page like this that will come up. The first thing is your groups will be pre-assigned a topic. What we'll do here is go to this website, this BBC website, and through here we will find where our topics are at. Each group you'll see, and you'll have your topics right in here. And each group will be working on one of these. Let's say we had our group had the Greek world, and basically we would just open this up, and all the information that you will need to complete this task will be right on here. And so you can see there's a whole wealth of things, other websites and stuff you can go to, and this is where you will get your information to complete your project, depending upon which topic that you do have for study. So that's kind of the first part. Close this out here. Okay. The second part of it will have you where you have to go out and create an actual Kahoot. You can do the same thing. You can click on this and it'll take you out into a web browser. I actually, if it's not, it might be even a little bit easier just to cut and paste this into a new web browser. Even if you just go out into the web and you start yourself a new tab and just even type in www or in your search and just go Kahoot, it should take you to the login page. Actually, I'm already logged in here, but you will go to where you have to create an account. And so let me show you what that actually looks like. Okay. This is where you will need to go and where you will sign in. You just basically go up here, say get my free account, and it will just go through and ask you a series of things. What's your role as student? Just go through that. Each one of you can create an account, because you can actually share Kahoots with each other in later times. For this whole project here, it might be okay to do that, but just make sure that each one of you has a copy of it so that we have it at some point. We can share these with each individual. But you really only need to work on one computer in order to create the Kahoot. Now, basically then, it's just that simple. What you'll end up doing once you get your account built, you will just come in here, and this is kind of your beginning page. These will show us where all the different Kahoots that you have. You just go New Kahoot and begin building one. You want to just do a quiz, that's what we're working on. And now you just go through the process of building your little quiz game. The instructions, like I said, go through, have relevant information and things like that. And it should work out fairly well. Hopefully this video helps you tomorrow with doing this without having too many questions, as well as your classmates. Help each other out with these things, and we'll work through.